Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage SIM pin on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. To manage the SIM pin, go to settings, then go to security and privacy, more security settings, SIM card security, and then you can enable SIM pin by enabling it and entering either the default one, the default pin provided by your carrier, or if you have changed it before, you need to enter the current SIM pin. So this is my current one, and now whenever I take the SIM card out of the phone and put it back into the same or another phone, or when I restart my device, it will ask me for my SIM pin. I can change the SIM pin by clicking on change SIM card pin, first entering the old one, then the new one I want to set, and entering the new one again. OK, and now the SIM pin is changed successfully. And to disable SIM pin, disable the switch, then enter the current pin and click on OK. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.